So today we want to show you the most traditional of Korean meals, kimchi jjigae. We just arrived, we hadn't even sat down and they'd already taken the order and basically got all the foods. So we've got big slabs of tofu in this one, big chunks of pork, lots of kimchi, some spring onions. It's pretty spicy and delicious. Dell's birthday, this is what you're going to have.
Speciality here is lettuce leaf. So take some rice. It's good to put the rice on the bottom. That way any juice kind of gets soaked up by the rice and doesn't drip all over your jeans like it did to me about 2 minutes ago. Put a bit of pork on, not too much because you want to be able to fit it in your mouth. I always overfill. A bit of tofu in there.
It's overfilled.
I've overfilled, but let's try it anyway. Gonna wrap it up in a nice little parcel and here we go. It's perfect.
Oh, I'm gonna make a mess when I try and eat this. Like that. And then I've got to shove it all in my mouth. Okay, can it be done?
Good job. Well done,
It's Dell's birthday today, and it is tradition in Korea to have some seaweed soup on your birthday. So Jean's mum has made Dell some seaweed soup. She's brought it in that beautiful Scotland thermos. I wonder where you got that from, Jean?
From my beautiful friend Keith from Glasgow. Birthday soup. Some for you.
Smells good. Okay. It's really, really good.
Yeah? That looks good.
It's still really hot.
It's got body.
It's got body, does it?
Body, spirit,
Depth.
substance, character.
Happy birthday! What's the chili peppers, Jean?
Even the chilies are dancing.
You can tell from how red Dell's entire head and face is that kimchi jjigae is quite spicy. But if you like spicy food, definitely give it a go. It is really yummy.
Is it still red?
Yeah, you're like a giant tomato.
I'm a giant tomato.
If you've enjoyed this video, give us a wee thumbs up. You can leave a comment below.
Subscribe to the channel for more videos.
And we will see you next time.
Yeah, see you next time. Hello to Jason Isaacs.
Don't forget the Bell.
Even Will Smith made a song about this. Do you know what I'm talking about? You're getting jiggy with it. Na 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 na. Getting jiggy with it. Na 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 na.
Will Smith approved.
Who knew Will Smith knew all about Korean food?